with a bayonet.
Yeah, dude, that's hilarious.
It balances it out.
I'm scared of that shot, dude.
That's like a ton of fucking shots. I want something just like that, dude. God damn.
I thought this was the house. I'm mistaken. Let me leave.
Wrong fucking house. I'm sorry. I was meaning to break the other one. Right. Watch yourself. I don't want to stab you in the face or something. We got more?
Yeah, I think so.
Rich?
Oh, I got another Moses.
Rich.
Fucking chunk it out there too.
Yeah, I gotta watch out for this damn thing. I mean,
Oh shit! Yeah, stand back here.
It's all fun and games until you get poked in the penis with a fucking bayonet, dude.
With a 2-foot-long bayonet. Yeah, definitely.
Got into a pissing contest with a bayonet and I lost. God damn it.
That motherfucker's a beast.
Oh, that's nice. Chunk it out there.
Let's make some room.
Dude. Make room. Oh, make room. Fuck. You know, we gotta stand them up.
Oh, here.
Yeah, we'll fucking make it.
There we go.
Mag out into the little...
Yeah, I gotta have the mag in there. It makes it look better. Hey, watch out for your penis poker.
Quit digging around.
Exactly.
Quit digging around.
But
All fun and games.
all fun and games till someone takes a bayonet to the penis.
Yeah.
It's not that kind of party.
Yeah, that's a different kind of
I
movie.
brought the wrong kind of ammo, bitch.
Damn. I think somebody's fucked now, and not in the way I'd want it to be.
Now this is a range day, goddammit. That's what I'm saying.
Shit, man. Look at it from the front.
That's what she said.
What about 20 minutes? We just took pictures of our shit.
Yeah. as typical guys do, we do the ceremonial taking pictures of our shit. Then we fire it off for a little bit, and we fire everything off really quick, and then we gotta go home. We're tired. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, I gotta go, guys.
I'm good.
Where's the barbecue? Let's go.
I need something to eat and a beer.
Exactly.
Oh man.
Where's your purse? Where's your purse? I need cab fare.
Cab fare. Just see him stand out there with that 870 and his little.
I want to take a fucking
trying to
picture
hail
of
a
it.
cab with his ammo box.
Meanwhile, Matt is still way out there getting more ammo.
He's taking like 20 pictures.
He's coming back with a fucking pallet.
He's gonna come out on a forklift.
I'm waiting for the tractor.